How to use Cin7 for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete beginner tutorial on Cin7, an all-in-one inventory management solution used by retailers, wholesalers, and manufacturers worldwide. Whether you are just starting your business or looking to streamline your operation, this step-by-step guide will help you to get up and running with Cin7 like a pro. Now in this video, I will cover how to sign up and set up your Cin account, and then we will navigate the Cin7 dashboard and understand its layout. Then we will add a manage user with the right roles and permission. Then we will set up your product catalog and inventory accurately. Then we will create and manage purchase order with supplier. Before we dive into the video, let's understand what is Cin7. So basically, if you don't know, Cin7 is cloud-based inventory and order management system that combines inventory tracking, point of sale, e-commerce, B2B sales, and accounting integrations all in one platform. It's designed to help businesses manage stock across the multiple channels, automate purchasing and sale process, and gain better visibility into operation. So let's get started. First thing first, in order to get started, what you have to do is just simply come onto this website, which is cin7.com, and then click on this get demo or chat with us. So before you do that, what you have to do, just simply click on the new tab, then click on the Cin7 free trial, search for it, and click on the first link. It will take you to this page where you have to enter all of these details to create your account. First, you have to enter your name, then you have to enter your last name, then you have to enter your business email, then phone number, then company name, then you have to select the country, then after that, you have to select the industry as well, the time zone, and then accept. Click on this accept the TNC and privacy policy. And then after filling all the information, you have to click on the start your free trial. After filling out all the information, it will ask you to select this time where they will call you for the meeting and they will try to convince you to buy their product. Before that, you have to select the time. What I will do, I will just simply enter this confirm, choose the dates and click on the confirm, and then now what you have to do, they have sent you an email to sign up. For example, go to your Gmail, which you have added into that form, and then go to your Gmail inboxes where they have sent you a link as you have to sign up. Okay, they have sent us a email of 14 days trial. Just simply go into your Gmail inbox and then click on the complete setup. Then it will ask you to enter your password. I will just simply add my password and then click on the confirm and hit the submit button over here. Now it will take you to dashboard of Cin7. Just to give a few seconds. Now, before we understand the dashboard of Cin7, let's get started. Click on this. It will ask you some basic question. You have to give the answer of that questions. So this is a dashboard. After giving all the information, you will land on this dashboard where you can see dashboard, purchase in the left side, sales, production and inventory, financials, CRM and reports. So let's get understand what these navigation tab are for. Now, first is dashboard. This is the dashboard overview. For example, if a customer places an order through your Shopify store, it will appear over here. So you will get a lot of option in the dashboard like quick links and then bill and orders and the key platform indicators. And then you have a purchase history and then we have a product overview as well. So you get basically overview of all the feature of Cin7 on this main dashboard. Let's move to purchase. Now, in the purchase, you can create and manage and purchase order or supplier invoices and receipts as well. For example, when you order stock from your supplier, you will log it under this section. Now, let's move to the third option, which is the sales. So in the sales, you can manage all sales order codes, invoices, and customer returns. If a customer places an order through your Shopify store, it will appear here for fulfillment. As you can see here, if you want to create a simple sale from here, you can create it. So let's move to the fourth tab, which is product. Now in the production, from here you can manage assembly, disassembly, jobs, and inventory write-off. So basically you have all related to production setting. Now if you move to inventory option, from here you can manage all your products and you can add products. You can set a price and price list and variants. You can create variants of different products. You can add new items with SQS, set selling prices, and track inventory level as well. Now let's move to the next tab, which is financing tab. You can view accounts payable, accounts receivable, and links and receipts and transfer money and journal. From here, you can automatically sync sale and purchase with your accounting software. Now, let's move to the CRM. In the CRM, you can basically add lead opportunities as well. You get options like leads or opportunities and tasks. If you go into leads, it will open the new page where you can add or you can add a new lead over here, or you can add a lot of information related to leads over here. Now let's move to the reports. Now in the report section, this access detailed report like sales by channel, inventory valuation, and purchase history. For example, you can generate monthly report showing which product are performed best. So basically you will get all of the details related to your sales and purchases. Now let's go to integration. From integration, you can connect Cin7 to platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Zero, QuickBooks, and a lot of other platforms as well. And if you see, this is a setting option. Here you can configure system settings, per permission, tax rules, location, and warehouses. You can set different access right for your warehouse staff versus finance team as well. From here, you can do a lot of automation things. This is the option of automation. So from here, you can access the automation of it. So summary of this dashboard is it lets you to receive an online order for a product. You will first go to the sales model to see the order, then check your product model to confirm the stock level. If the item is running low, you will head to purchase to create a purchase order to restock. Once fulfilled, all these records are available in reports and sync automatically to your accounting software via integration. Now, this is the advantage of this software. Now let's add your role. For example, let's say if you want to add your manager or someone to manage this software. So what you can do is just simply go into settings. In the setting, in the left side, it will open this page. From here, you have to click on the user and roles, and then it will take you to this page where you can add a role or user. For example, click on the invite a user. If you want to make role or add role, you can add. Right now we have manager and reviewer, two roles we have. Now if you want to add co-owner or like these roles, you can add by just simply clicking on this add new role. Let's say click on the user. Now click on the invite a user. Here you have to enter the email address of that user which you want to add. For example, what I will do, I will just simply I will add this example email over here. Just simply add that and click on the I'm not robot uh, bridge. Okay, verified and click on the send. It will send the invitation link to this email. This is my second email. As you can see here, we got our invitation link over here. Now simply click on the user have to click here and it will redirect to him to that website. So this is how you can add the user into your Cin7 dashboard. Now, let's add product and inventory setup. First thing for what you have to do is go to add product category. Just simply click on this purchase over here. Now you have to click not in the purchase section. You have to click on this inventory option. Into inventory, you have to click on this product or product services. Just simply click on it and it will take you to this new product. Over here, you have to give LCQV, the status, inventory account, product name. If you have default location, you can have add that too. The revenue account, and then type, what type of this product is. Additional attributes, if you want to add, you can add. COGS account, and then you have to add the category. If you want to create the category, you can create it from here. You have to add barcode, purchase tax rules, brand, minimal before reorders, sale tax, all the information you have to fill out. Then you have to fill, after filling out this information, then you have to add the short description related to your products and internal note. Right now we have already have some products over here. Just simply let's click on this inventory and go to products. Default product, we have lot of default product over here, as you can see here. So I will not add new products. So as you can see here, so let's say if you want to search a specific product, you are not getting it, what you can do is just simply search over here or click on the plus icon. It will take you to this page where you can add a new product. Now let's say if you want to set up related to your price, you can do that as well. Click on the stock to see how many stocks you have. Now, these are all setting related to the product you can set up. Now, let's add, or let's create a purchase. Let's create a purchase. So what you have to do is just simply go into purchase. Then you have to click on the simple purchase over here. Now, it will take you to simple purchase web page, and then you have to fill out all the information which they ask. First, you have to add the supplier. Then you have to give account details, like if it is stock first or invoice first. Then you have to choose shipping details, blend recipient. Then if you have a supplier contacts, you can add here. Terms is 15 days, then dates, then phone number, you have to write it. Then required by, choose the dates as well. And then here you can see location, where if you want to uh, send to different location, you can choose, or you can add a new location from here as well. Now vendor address line 1, inventory account, if you want to change the account, you can change it from here. Ship to different company, if you want to shift to different company, you can just simply click on this check button. It will open this page where you can add the details related to that. Now if you have a vendor address line 2, you can add that to here. Now tax rules, if you have, so these are some basic for information which you have to add. After adding all the information, then click authorize option over here, and to confirm the PO, you can then email it to the supplier directly or mark it as a receive when item arrives. Now this is a simple example how you can purchase the simple project or product, simple purchases. Let's move to purchase. We have some default purchases in our Cin7 account. As you can see here, we have some purchase account over here. Now let's move to sales and order fulfillment. Now you have to navigate to the sales, click on the sell button, and then click on the sale orders or simple sale. Just simply click on it. It will open a new page. Now over here you have to choose a customer here, which right now I think we haven't added any customer. Okay, we have some customer over here. If you want to add customer, you have to go to this page and add a customer from here. Now choose a customer. Now if you want to change the terms, you can change from here. Shipping, location, then you have a contacts, then ship rate, dates, all of the details. Right now, to add the product into your customer page, what you have to do is go to this. You have to scroll down a little bit. This is a customer detail form. In the bottom, you get a product information where you can add a specific product to that customer. Now, what you have to do is just add more items. Click on it to add more items. Then click on this button. If you want to add a new item, you can add it. Right now, we have already added some products into our product section. I will choose this one. And from here, you can add comments. You can choose the quantity, you can set a price. If you want to give the discount to this customer, you can give it. If you have a tax rules, you can add that too. Margins, you if you want to add margins, you can add. The total amount will appear over here. Let's say the price of total is this one, and the discount we have giving 10%, and then 10%, and then margin is 45.63. Then let's say if I go with this, and total amount, I'm not able to see the total amount over here, but yeah, this is how you can add items to the order. You can add customer over here, then pick to prepare item, then pack to box them, then ship by selecting your carrier or manual dispatch. If you want to add additional charges over here, you can add that too. Now let's say if you want customer credit, you can click on the customer credit as well. Now this is a basic overview. Just simply click on the save preset or save, click on save. So sales rep is required. So where is sales rep? Go back to sales rep. So these are some sales rep, John Doe, and click on the apply discount. Wait for a few seconds to apply discount and then click on the authorize. So there is an issue. Okay. Okay, we haven't specified quantity. Then as you can see here, we got our total amount. Then simply click on authorize. Wait for a few seconds. So we have successfully added a sale, and we have fulfilled our order to the customer. So yeah, this is how you can do. Now let's integrate a third-party app into our Cin7. Go to integration tab into left. From here, search for that app, Shopify. In my example, click on the Shopify, and this this will open the page. Now it will something look like this. In the top left, you will get to see there is an option of plus. Just simply click on that plus icon, and from here, click on this connect to Shopify. It will take you to the Shopify admin shopify.com, where you can give the authorization. You have to choose your account, then it will take you to this admin page. So there is a issue with my Shopify account, so it will not connect. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can connect with Shopify. So don't worry if you found any trouble in while adding or while connecting the Shopify. Just let me know in the comment section. So I will fix that. Now that's it for complete beginner guide to using Cin7, from setting up your account to managing your product sales and integration. You know, have the tools to take full control of your inventory operation. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumb and subscribe and drop your question in the comment below. Thanks for watching.